Little Tim had a tickle. Right there in his nose, it wiggled, it jiggled, it wriggled, then froze. His eyes went wide, his face turned red. Then suddenly, AH-CHOO! He flew off his bed, it blasted the curtains, it jumbled the chairs, it sent poor old Grandad clean down the stairs. The cat did a backflip, the dog did a spin, and all of the goldfish got tossed in the bin. His mother cried,
"Timothy, what have you done?"
As the roof started rattling. This wasn't fun. His sneeze tore off chimneys, it rattled the trees, it startled the mayor and toppled his tea. Then way past the rooftops, through night's inky skies, the moon felt a rumble and let out a sigh. It wobbled, it wiggled, it started to sway, then boom! It spun in a whole different way. The astronauts yelped as their ship zoomed askew.
Ground control, we've got a lunar AH-CHOO.
The stars did a shuffle, the planets a twirl. Saturn's great rings spun a dizzying whirl. Back down below, Tim sniffled once more. Then he let out a squeak, a tiny encore. The trees stood trembling, the town held tight. But luckily, this one was only a mite. Now everyone knows, come rain or shine, if Tim gets a tickle, run, don't waste time. And late in the night, if you look up real soon, you'll see the crooked tilt of the sneeze-shaken moon.